Hi everyone! Lettuce is one of the easiest and fastest veggies to grow from seeds, perfect for beginners. Today I'll show you two awesome ways: traditional soil growing and hydroponics, which is soilless and incredibly efficient. Hydroponic lettuce grows faster, uses less space, and you can do it indoors year-round. Let's dive in. First things first, let's pick your lettuce. If you're just starting out, I highly recommend a loose-leaf variety like salad bowl. They're incredibly forgiving and grow fast, making them perfect for a technique called cut-and-come-again harvesting, where you can snip leaves as you need them. Feeling more adventurous? Romaine offers that classic crunchy heart, while butterhead varieties give you soft, tender leaves. While all these types thrive in both traditional soil and modern hydroponics, remember that loose-leaf varieties will give you the absolute quickest results in a hydro system. No matter which you choose, lettuce is a cool weather crop. It's happiest between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. If it gets too hot, it can bolt, which means it flowers and turns bitter. You have two options: classic soil growing outdoors or in pots, or hydroponics for faster growth and indoor convenience. I'll cover both. For soil, use loose, well-draining soil rich in compost, pH 6 to 7. Fill pots at least 6 to 8 inches deep. Scatter seeds thinly on the surface. They need light to germinate. Cover lightly with 1/8 to 1 to 4 inch of soil. Mist and keep moist. Ready to grow with just water? For hydroponics, no soil is needed. Two popular systems for lettuce are NFT, or nutrient film technique, and deep water culture. In NFT, a thin film of nutrient-rich water flows over the roots. In DWC, the roots are suspended directly in an oxygenated solution. Both are fantastic, and you can either buy a kit or build your own. To start, soak rock wool cubes in pH-balanced water, around 5.5 to 6.0. This gives your seeds the perfect starting environment. Gently squeeze out excess water. You want them damp, not soaked. Place 2 to 3 seeds per cube and set them in a propagation tray under a light. Keep them warm and humid, and soon you'll see sprouts. Once the seedlings have a few true leaves and their roots are about an inch long, they're ready to be transplanted into your hydroponic system. Look for those healthy white roots emerging from the cube. That's your sign they're ready for their new home. After about 7 to 10 days, your seeds will germinate. For soil-grown lettuce, it's time to thin your seedlings. This crucial step prevents overcrowding and ensures each plant has enough space to thrive. Gently remove weaker seedlings, leaving the strongest ones spaced 4 to 6 inches apart for loose-leaf varieties. And don't throw those thinnings away. They make a delicious and nutritious addition to any salad. For hydroponics, wait until you see healthy roots emerging from your starter plugs, usually around 2 weeks. Now they're ready for their new home. Carefully transplant them into your system, placing them in net pots or raft holes. From here, provide a constant, well-aerated nutrient solution formulated for lettuce, maintaining a pH between 5.5 and 6.5 for optimal nutrient uptake. Both need even moisture and light. Soil. Keep soil moist. Full sun or partial shade, light fertilizer. Hydro. Run the pump for circulation. Change nutrient solution weekly. Use grow lights. 16 to 18 hours, cheeks day indoors. Maintain water temp 65 to 70 degrees safe to prevent issues. Hydro lettuce grows 20–50% faster. No weeds or soil pests. Harvest starts at 4 or 6 weeks. For loose leaf in either method, pick outer leaves. The plant keeps growing. For heads, cut at the base when mature. Hydro lettuce often tastes cleaner and crisper. Harvest in the morning for best flavor. Whether you go with soil for that classic garden feel or hydroponics for speedy indoor harvests, homegrown lettuce is simple and rewarding. Try one or both. You'll have fresh salads all year. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more tips. Happy growing!